What's going on, everyone? Welcome to my channel. I'm George the Carpenter, and today I'm going to show you guys how you can make an epoxy mold with some scrap plywood that you probably already have laying around your shop. So in today's video, you're going to need some plywood, you're going to need some tuck tape, and some silicone. Let's get into it. Now it's time to line my form with tuck tape. So luckily for me, I already had a couple of these laying around pre-taped, but for video purposes, I'm just gonna redo this side, fresh start, and show you guys how the process works. So let's start taping. Okay, so now I'm laying down the tuck tape across the entire surface, making sure to overlap each row a little bit so I don't get any leaks through the tape onto the wood. Now we got her all tuck taped up. Okay, so now I'll take these. I'm gonna just do one quick layer over top because, as you can see, it's kind of crap. So I'll hit these all with tape and then we'll screw them on, and that's it. You got your form. And remember, if you have any wood showing, it's going to make your life really difficult when you try to pop your project out of the form. So make sure you got all wood bits covered. As you can see here, I'm using my drill with a pilot hole bit to make room for the screws. If you don't do this, chances are your plywood will split and swell, leaving you with a poor connection. There you go. Now, I'm going to take my silicone gun here. Just regular silicone, nothing fancy, quick dry. I'm going to place it all around the four sides here and up each corner, and we're going to have a nice tight epoxy form. No leaks, baby. So let's go. Okay, and then I'm just going to take my finger, just rub it along, get it in the corners nicely, and then wiping away any of the excess. There we go. There's a little extra. Wipe that off on a rag. Oh man, I hate how it makes your fingers feel so slimy or like silky. Anyways, I guess you could use like a cloth on your finger or a rag even. Whatever works for you. There you have it. We got ourselves a epoxy mold. Now I'm just gonna grab my lumber. I've already pre-cut and squared up. And we're gonna take it, drop it in. Boom. We're ready to mix up some epoxy and pour it. And that, my friends, is how you make an epoxy mold in just a few simple steps. If you guys got any value out of today's video, I'd ask that you please like and subscribe to my channel. And I hope to see you guys on the next one. Peace.